Assalamu alaikum students. Lastly, we have read about one of the thermodynamical process, and that process was isothermal process. What is isothermal process? Isothermal process is a process in which what? There is no change in the temperature. The temperature remains constant. There is change in the pressure, there is change in the volume, but the temperature of the system that doesn't change, and that very process called as the isothermal process. And then we read that there are two important conditions which an isothermal system has to follow, that there should be a free exchange, an easy exchange of the energy or heat, I will say, with the system and surrounding. That is only possible once you will have what? Dithermic walls. And secondly, the process should be very much slow. Now today, which the thermodynamical process which we are going to read about, that is what? That is adiabatic process. What is adiabatic process? Adiabatic process is the process in which there is volume will change, pressure will change, volume, pressure, they will change, but there is no exchange. This is very much important. Exchange of heat, or you will say energy, between what? Between system and surrounding. So if this very, we're having a container, and within this very container we're having some gas, and once we're having some gas here, it is having some pressure P, some temperature T, some volume V, but its pressure is going to change, its volume is going to change, its temperature is also going to change, but there will not be, I will say, delta Q, change in heat, that equals to zero. So that is, neither heat is getting into the system nor heat is coming out from the system. So that can be only possible. So a system in which there is no exchange of heat between system and the surrounding, that system is called as what? That system is called as adiabatic system. So this is can be only possible once the walls of this very container, the walls of this very container, the walls of container have to be what? Adiabatic. Adiabatic. There is no exchange of heat with the system. So, and secondly, the process should be very fast, so that once the process is very fast, if there is increase in the temperature, if if the process is very much slow, then there will be increase in temperature that might get exchanged. Why that get exchanged? Because we, as already I told you, no system is perfectly adiabatic, no system is perfectly uh, isothermal. So for that very purpose, I was saying, the system, once it is compressed or allowed to expand, so there is no time for exchange of heat between the system and surrounding. If it is expanded, then the system will go up, there will be fall in the temperature, but no heat will come from outward. And once it is compressed, there will be increase in the temperature, there will be decrease in the pressure volume, there will be increase in the pressure. Once it is compressed, once the gas is compressed, in adiabatic compression, temperature rises. In adiabatic, in, you have to remember, in adiabatic compression, temperature rises, and in adiabatic expansion, temperature falls. Once there is expansion, there will be temperature fall, because the expansion will be done on account of its own temperature. So simply you have to remember that a system in which there is no exchange of heat between the system and surrounding. That system is called as what? Adiabatic system. There are many more systems like isocohoric system. Isocohoric system. What is this very system? It is the system where there is no change. Thus, there is change in the rest of the thermodynamical variable. But I'll simply say delta V is equal to 0. By meaning of delta V is equal to 0, that is, there is no change in volume. No change in volume. There can be isobaric system. Isobaric system. What is isobaric system? It is a system where there is no change in the pressure. dp, change in pressure, should equal to 0. That is, whatever was the, if the system goes through the change in the rest of the thermodynamical variables, but the pressure has to be same. Whatever was the pressure initially, that pressure has to be finally. So isochoric system, that's called there is no change in the volume. Isobaric system, there is no change in what? Pressure. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.